I'm currently studying a level 4 HNC in project management with Cardiff Met. I am working for Arup, and my biggest project at the minute is the Wales and Borders Station Improvement Plan. The best thing about getting my vocational qualification is the opportunities that it's led me to have. The opportunities I've discovered within Arup have been amazing so far, and I'm really enjoying myself. So I definitely think that there is a lack of women taking STEM subjects. Personally, taking STEM subjects for myself has given me a great opportunity in life, and I think I'm going to carry on in this career. I think the only barrier I really had was when I was in school, and there was a lot of pressure on people going to university rather than taking vocational qualifications, and I think that me going off in a tangent doing a vocational qualification allowed me to understand that there are other alternatives. I would say to women going into construction that the barriers definitely have come down, that they shouldn't be put off by the gender imbalance, and it's definitely growing to be equal.